Embarking on the journey to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle can feel daunting, but it begins with a single step. Picture this: a vibrant you, brimming with energy, ready to take on the day's challenges. Facing this transition requires embracing habits that foster long-term weight loss rather than quick fixes. Hence, a comprehensive healthy lifestyle plan isn't just beneficial, it's essential. The key to successful weight management lies in nourishing your body with balanced whole foods. Imagine filling your plate with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, each color brimming with important nutrients. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats become your most trusted allies. Visualize savoring a hearty salad or enjoying a succulent piece of grilled chicken alongside quinoa. These wholesome choices cultivate energy, curbing cravings and keeping you motivated throughout the day. Incorporating regular physical activity transforms your weight loss journey into an invigorating experience. Close your eyes and envision yourself lacing up your sneakers and stepping out into the fresh air, ready for a brisk walk or invigorating jog. Moving your body doesn't have to be fierce. It can be as simple as dancing to your favorite tunes at home or practicing yoga in a serene space, connecting body and mind. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, and you'll witness the positive impact on both your weight and overall well-being. Beyond diet and exercise, adopting a mindful attitude plays a pivotal role in sustaining weight loss. Picture yourself sitting down for a meal, savoring each bite while being fully present. This mindfulness helps you recognize hunger cues, aiding in portion control and reducing emotional eating. Build a support system by surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, whether through friendly accountability partners or community groups dedicated to health. Their encouragement and shared experiences become powerful motivators on days when you feel tempted to stray from your path. Lastly, understand that setbacks are natural. Envision a resilient you, rising after a stumble. Each day is a new chance to refocus on your goals with determination. By adopting a holistic approach that includes balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and a supportive mindset, you're not just losing weight, you're creating a sustainable lifestyle that promotes health and happiness. Step into this new chapter of your life with enthusiasm and embrace the exciting possibilities that await you. Like, subscribe, and share.